How to share profile on Instagram story. So instead of a certain post, you want to share someone's profile on Instagram story, right? Now if it was a post, right, you would just go to their post like this. So you would just go here and you would go to their post, you would tap on the share option and you would select add to story to add that person's post to your story. But you want to add the whole profile. So let us see what are the options. If we tap the share option here, you can see these particular options right here. So you'll be able to simply find this right here. You can see all this, you can see the bio and you can see the QR code. You can just tap on this add to story option from here. So just tap on. Now if you don't find this option right here, however, you can also tap the three dots option and tap on share, or you can tap on this right here and then you'll find this icon where you can tap on add to story and it will get added to your story. So let me show you now. If I open up my story, the new story over there will be the ones that you just added, which is someone else's profile on Instagram story. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.